What I'm about to show you feels illegal because it should not be free. But right now it is. I'm going to type one sentence and in seconds I'll get a full 9-shot cinematic storyboard. Then I'll extract each shot as a clean image, upscale it, and use it as a production-ready starting point. And in this video, I'll show you the exact workflow step by step, from idea to storyboard to production-ready shots. Most AI storyboard tools don't actually storyboard stories, right? They storyboard camera angles. They'll give you the 5 variations of the same moment, but they don't understand how scenes connect and build. Invideo Vision does, because it generates a sequence, not just disconnected pictures. Let's go to ai.invideo.io, then click Invideo Vision. Inside Vision, you will see different options, but today we are using boards and extract shots. So click boards and start a new project. You can name it something simple, right? I'm gonna call mine the Hammer Escape. Here's the exact board prompt I'm using. Just copy paste this. Now I hit generate and Vision turn that one sentence into a full 3x3 grid of 9 shots. You'll notice immediately it actually feels like a story setup, tension, movement, payoff. Awesome. Just look at the hammer across the frames. Now Vision isn't generating 9 totally unrelated images. It generates one coherent visual world so that you get character consistency throughout, product consistency too, and a cinematic look across the whole grid. That's really awesome. And remember, continuity isn't something you fix later. It's baked into frame 1. Now we take the storyboard and turn it into individual images. Just click extract shot. You will see a prompt field that says to extract a specific shot number from the attached storyboard. Here's the exact extract shot prompt you will use. So for shot 1, I type extract shot 1 from the attached storyboard image. Now we just repeat extract shot 2, extract shot 3, all the way until 9. That's simple. And now I've got 9 clean images I can use anywhere. I can upscale them, I can edit them, or turn them into video shots. Cool, right? Yes, indeed. Here's the cheat code once you have your 9 images. You'll need 9 short prompts, 1 per shot, to generate motion consistently. So I'm going to give you the 9 micro prompts right now. You can copy paste them into whatever video model you are using. You're welcome. Shot 1 prompt: a dyer's hand fumbles and drops a framing hammer into a dark crack inside a wall. Dust floats in a beam of light. For shot 2 prompt, the hammer lands with a third among insulation and debris, half buried, staring up at the tiny opening above. Shot 3 prompt, close up, the hammer looks annoyed and determined, muffled construction sounds echo around it. Shot 4 prompt, the hammer discovers other forgotten tools, tape measures, screwdrivers, pliers, huddled in the dark. Shot 5 prompt, the tools argue, then the hammer lays out a plan pointing towards a faint glow deep in the wall. Shot prompt, the squeeze through studs and wires, crawling past nails and splinters, moving together through tight tunnels. Shot 7 prompt, they reach a vent-like opening, light spills in, but a dangling cable blocks the way. Tension rises. Shot 8 prompt, with a final push, they swing and slip past the obstacle, tumbling out towards the room where a toolbox sits nearby. And finally, shot number 9 prompt, hero shot, the tools reach the open toolbox and climb in, the hammer smirks as the lid begins to close. Now it's just repetition. Attach the shot image, paste the matching prompt, generate the clip, move to the next shot. As you can see, easy job. If you want more variety without losing consistency, use angles. Here's the exact prompt. Create 9 alternate camera angles of the attached image. Keep the same character and environment consistent. And for different styles, you can use looks. Here's a ready-to-use looks prompt. Generate a nice cinematic style looks for the attached image, warm animated, gritty noir, high contrast, dramatic, moody, dusty realism, neon cyberpunk, vintage film grain, soft storybook, horror suspense lightning, and bright commercial lightning. Stunning results, right? Yes, indeed. Now, Vision isn't only an output tool, it's a creative thinking tool. You can explore ideas fast without burning credits. I love it. And once you have the storyboard and the shots, you can keep going inside Invideo. You can edit, you can enhance, you can animate, you can export without jumping between apps. And yes, Vision being free right now is still crazy to me. If you're serious about making a lot of content and want higher limits and access to 60 plus models, the generative plan starts at just $100 per month. That's a very good price. The good thing is that you can try it for free, and if you want, you can drop a one-sentence story idea in the comments, and I'll pick a few and tell you how I'd storyboard them in Vision. You're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more AI workflows like this. And as usual, drop a like if you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. See you guys in my next AI tool recommendation. Peace out.